Welcome back to Shafer Pass 1, where it is about 4:12 p.m. And
it's getting kind of dark.
It's getting a little dark.
We definitely could have maybe put the light on.
It's okay.
I think visibility is going to be fine, and I'm going to be fine, and Colin's going to be fine. We're all going to be fine.
Speak for yourself.
I am. I did.
You said Colin's gonna be fine.
I'm Colin.
You don't know me.
I am you.
Bitch, who are you? Aw, bitch.
I will not check the engine.
Right 4 tightens to 3, into left 1 long here.
Okay.
You okay?
Okay.
$15 seconds.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 4 tightens to 3, into left 1 long, and right 6, this left 1 is long. Right 6, go 70. And then right 6, into right 4 long, and left 3. Again, it's right 6, into right 4 long, and left 3. Here's left 3, and left 6, tightens to 3 plus, and opens, go. Kinks for 70. Sorry, 70, kinks, 150. Left 6, and caution crest, into right 1. One more time. Caution crest, right 1, somewhere.
Shit. Too fast.
There it is. To left 4. And right 6, tightens to 5. Left 6, plus over crest, into right 5 plus, and left 5 minus. This is a 5 plus here.
Where is?
Oh, there it is.
Damn it, that was so deceptive. Okay, I think we're slippy here.
Left 5 minus. And left 5 minus into right 6. And
This is the left 5 minus.
okay, right 6 and right 5 into left 3 plus. And right 4 long, tightens 3 into left 1 long. There's the left 1 long. And right 2 plus long. And right 4 into left 3. And crest and left 6 into right 4 plus.
One more time.
Left 6 into right 4 plus. Left 4 plus, go 170. Alright, at the end of the 170, crest into left 6, go 70. Crest into left 6 here, go 70. Left 6 plus. And crest right 6. Here's crest right 6. And crest go 100. Right 6 over crest, go 100. Left 6, go 70. Crest, go 200. And crest, go 200. Then it's crest and crest, go kinks 150. So let's watch our speed with the kinks, because I don't know what those numbers are. Check it here. Crest and crest, go kinks 150. There it is. Crest into left 6 and right 6 plus, go 70. Again, this is crest into left 6 and right 6 plus, go 70. This is right 6 plus, go 70. And then it's crest and right 6 tightens to 5 and
Damn it, I should have slowed down so
right
much.
6 tightens to 5 somewhere.
See.
And left 5, tightens to 4 plus. Into right 3 plus. This 5 tightens to a 4 plus. And it goes into a right 3 plus.
Slippy in here.
Into left 5 plus over crest. And right 6 into left 5 plus, go 70. Here's 5 plus, go 70. Right 6 plus, go, Kings 150. Right 5 long and caution crest, left 5 into right 1 long. It's right 5 long and caution crest, left 5 long into right 1 long.
Caution crest.
Left 5 long, or left 5, sorry, into right 1 long. Go 170. Left 2 minus opens.
We got triangles coming out.
Okay. The left. On the left 2 minus. Off. Right. Okay. Left 2 minus opens. Oh wait. Oh, they're okay.
They're okay. They're okay.
Fine. Oh, left 2 minus opens. Go 100. Right 6 minus. Go. 100 crest. And left 5 plus long, tightens to 4 plus. Crest and left 5 plus long, tightens to 4 plus. Go 70, right 6 plus.
Around this left 4, God, I can't see damn big.
Yeah, here's 70, right 6 plus. And go 70, right 6, go 70. Left 6 tightens to 3 when you see it. I think that's our left 6 tightens 3. Go 100. Right 5 and left 6 minus. Left 6 minus, go 70. Right 6 and right 5 plus. Right 6 and right 5 plus. And left 6, go 70. Right 6 plus and a left 5 plus, go 70. Right 6 plus and left 5 opens and tightens to 4 plus. Get a 6 plus and left 5 opens and tightens to 4 plus. It's gonna open and tighten to 4 plus here. Go 70. The left 5 tightens to 4 long. Gonna tighten 4 long into right 5 plus very long. And the right 5 plus very long. Nice work, man. Into left 3 minus bad camber, and again, this is gonna go into a left 3 minus bad camber. Very long. There it is, left 3 minus bad camber, and left 4 plus. Opens into right 5 minus.
Oh my God, slippy. Very slippy.
Right 5 into left 6, go 150. Where are we?
Right 5.
Left 6, go 150, hopefully. Yep. Right 6, go.
Fuel cut off. What the hell? We got no power.
Uh-oh. Right 6, go 70. Right 5 short and right 6 long.
We got no power.
Damn. 100, kick 70, left 6.
We're hitting a fuel cutoff.
Left 6, go 300. More pages. At the end of this 300, it's right 6, go 70, then crest, go 70. Here's go 70, crest, go 70, right 6 plus into right 3 and. This right 6 plus goes into a right 3.
Oh my god.
Crest into... I don't see a left. That's
Oh,
weird.
we were back.
Right 6, left 3.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
left 3.
that was weird. Go 70.
We got nothing.
Oh no.
Car's just dying.
Try to keep it alive.
You know, we got nothing.
Okay. Is it like a limp mode?
I think so. We got
Just try to stay on the side, I guess. Just keep going nice and easy. Let's just get out of here. We've got like another
Dude, I'm putting
another mile.
power into it, and it's just it's not revving.
Damn.
What the hell is happening? They're gonna come screaming up on us. How long do we have left?
Like a mile.
Yes.
Cresco 70. Coasted out of here.
I'm gonna turn my flashers on.
Okay.
We're gonna
Alright.
try to pull over for them.
Sounds like it's back?
No.
Nope. Maybe. Alright, I'm lost on the notes now, sorry. What does that feel like?
That was like a right 3 probably.
Right.
Left probably 1.
Long.
Yeah.
Go 70.
Yep.
Right 4 minus into crest. Maybe just watch your revs here. Left 5 over crest.
Smells sweet.
Oh man.
Smell that?
Yeah. Left 5 over crest and right 5 plus into crest. And a right 4 minus, go 70. Left 6 uphill.
Okay.
And crest into left 4 over crest. And right 5 plus, long downhill. Into right 3 plus. And caution left 3 minus, bad camber. Oh, right, sorry. Right 3 plus and caution left 3 here. Minus, bad camber.
Yeah.
Go 70. Last page. Right 4 tightens to 2 minus long. And left 1 long. Right 4 tightens to 2 minus long. Left 1 long uphill, go 150. Left 5 and crest and a right 5 plus. We got like, yeah, almost, we're getting close. Less than a mile. One more crest, should I got off notes, sorry. Crest and a right 3 plus long. Opens. Go 70. Left 6 plus go, 100. Straight through the junction here, right 6 into left 1 minus. Here's left 1 minus. Go 900.
Seems like it's back. Nah, it's not.
Give it a test.
Just gotta stay like half throttle here. Might as well go fast. This is 900.
Yep. Right 6 minus, short, go 150. Right 6 minus, short, go 150. Right 3 minus, go, flying finish. Alright.
Hopefully we can make it back.
Yeah, let's get back, let's get back. Damn!
We're gonna lose a lot of time there.
That's not how I wanted to end things. It's not over, but...
I don't know what the fuck that could be.
I don't know what to say.
You don't need to say anything. We got you, dog.
You're our boy, dog. Don't even trip.